Today we're tackling a common issue: Google Drive downloaded failed. If you've been frustrated with this error, stick around because I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes a weaker intermittent connection can cause download failures. Check your Wi Fi or Ethernet connection. Try opening another website to confirm your internet is working. Now, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve many download issues. Here's how to do it. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner or the lower right corner of Chrome. Then go to settings, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Click on clear browsing data. Then click clear data. Sometimes browser extension can interfere with downloads. Disable them temporarily to see if the issue are cleared. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome. Go to More Tools and then Extensions. Toggle off all extensions. Attempt a download again. If it works, enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. If you're still having trouble, try using a different browser or incognito mode. To open incognito mode in Chrome, what you need to do is simply click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select new incognito window. Alternatively, try another browser like Firefox, Edge or Safari. Now ensure you have enough space in your Google Drive and the correct permissions to download the file. Open Google Drive and check the available storage in the bottom left corner or here or in the left hand side. Now right click on the file you're trying to download and select share. Ensure you have permissions to download the file. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Google Drive download failed issue. If this video helps, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other tech problems you'd like me to solve. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.